Dispatchers lose hours a day to data entry, building orders, updating trips, chasing paperwork across a dozen clicks. Cargo's AI assistant ends that. Ask it in plain English, and it acts directly on your own data. It doesn't just tell you where the button is, it clicks it for you. It's in the chat bubble, on every page in the app. Click it, and Cargo AI is ready right there in the corner. Need more room? Expand the menu and click Chat right at the top of your inbox. Same assistant, same conversation, wherever you're working, and it's available in mobile app too. If you don't see it on your end, just reach out to Cargo support. Type a question in plain English. How do I create a trip? And it answers directly. No digging through help docs or menus. It doesn't stop at answering. Type a real request. Create an order for a 2023 Ford F-150 using our saved contacts for the details. Pick up August 21st in Brooklyn from Safe Motorsports. Delivery August 28th to Sandwood Dealers in Fort Lauderdale. Assign driver John Gibbs. Carrier payment $850 with $500 to collect by check at delivery. Customer Safe Motorsports and hit send. Cargo AI confirms the details back to you, and the order is live. Every field filled exactly as asked. Click through to your orders page, or click the order right there in the chat to view it. Same pattern for the rest of your day. Ask it to text a tracking link to your customer, and it'll walk you through anything it still needs to get that done. You're always in control. For sensitive actions, canceling an order, voiding an invoice, revoking someone's access, it lays out exactly what it's about to do and asks for your go-ahead before it happens. You call the shots every time. Prefer talking over typing? Tap the mic to dictate, or go hands-free and hold an actual conversation with it. It only ever touches your own company's data. Drivers can look up their own info, but they can't make changes. And admins can switch the assistant on or off for any team member right from their profile. No more hunting through menus or repeating yourself across a dozen clicks. Cargo AI gets it done. Just ask.